how to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month. And you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service for you. So pay attention guys, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can do that. So first of all, open your Google Chrome or whatever browser you'd like to use. Then open Google Maps and then go to the search of Google Maps and type the United States. Then zoom in on the United States. This is the best market you can apply the method in. So here let's zoom in on the country and then make sure to choose the city you'd like to apply the method to. For example, let's go to New York here. So let's go to New York City to apply the method in. Let's zoom in like that and let's zoom. So this is New York. Then let's go to the search again and type whatever type of business or small business you'd like to start with. For example, let's go with gyms. So here click on search to see all of the available gyms in this area, and here make sure to always choose the profiles that has less than 100 reviews. For example, we're not going to use this one. It has more than 140 reviews. That means they are most likely to not respond to our pitch or to our cold call. So always go for the ones with less reviews, for example like this one. So let's check this one here, Fresh Fitness Studio, First Fitness. So here let's scroll down to see if we can find a website. So this is the website, I think. So the first thing is to see if they will need any renovation to their website. So here let's wait for it to load to see if it's up to date or not. Here let's scroll down. So their website is a little bit up to date. That means we cannot offer the website innovation service. So let's go back to their profile to see if we can offer the bad reviews removing. So here let's scroll down. We have 5-star review. Let's look for the reviews with 3 stars or less. Pro, nice quiet place. New updated equipment. Con, bit pricey and not so close to me. Don't buy packages for trainer if you can't finish before expiration date. You will lose it. Also, the trainer I had spent half of time criticizing and disrespectful when training, not professional. So this one is talking about their trainer, saying it's a bad trainer. He was disrespectful for him. That means this is a bad review that the business owner would like to remove from his profile. So we can offer the service of removing the bad reviews like this one. So let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review. So here let's scroll down. Let's scroll down to see if we can find some other bad reviews. I think that's the only bad review they have. Another one, signed up here, worst investment I've ever done, very expensive for a poor staff and disrespectful front desk staff, wouldn't recommend to anyone. So this is another bad review that would destroy their reputation in the market. which means we have now two bad reviews that we can use in order to convince the business owner to purchase our service, which is good for us. So now we have two bad reviews, and we have two services that we can offer them. We can offer them to remove the two bad reviews, and also we can offer them the help with ranking in the top of the search results of gym, of the keyword gym. And if you are guys asking that you don't have any skill to do that, as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill. You will just go to fiverr.com in here. It's the place where you can hire a freelancer to do the job instead of you. So here, for example, you can offer those services to this business owner for at least $200, and when you get paid $200, you can go to fiverr.com and you can hire someone like this freelancer for $25 to do the job instead of you. The only thing that I would advise you to do is to be patient, because you will not get clients in the first day or even in the first week. You will need to reach out to a lot of clients. As you know, you will need to reach out to a lot of clients, and you will get rejected a lot of times, but it's worth it. At the end, you can keep $175 or more if you are good with convincing, and if you've tried it more than one time. Also, once you get one client, it will be easier to find or to get other clients. It's just the first client which is the hardest. So as I said, as I showed you in the tutorial, that's what you're going to repeat again and again until you land a lot of clients. For example, let's look again for another one. These two had more than 100 reviews. So let's go for the third one, Prospect Fitness. They don't have a website as well, but I think they have one here. So let's check their website to see if we can add or if you can make any renovation to it. So this is their website. I think it's up to date. It won't need any renovation. So you can then just check for bad reviews. So here you can check for bad reviews to offer them the removing bad reviews service. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and